Hello friends, how are you? You must be seeing the name of the share that we are going to talk about today. This share has been falling for quite some time. You all must know that this share has been a lot of turmoil. A lot of bad news has come out. If it is there, then do you have to remain in this share or get out of this share? We are going to discuss this in this video, whether this share should be bought or not. You will get to know everything in this video. So friends, I told you that this share of yours will hold the level of 280 dollar, and we will see what will be its important level. Next, we are going to see in this video. This just watch the video till the end, because this share is falling only due to the news. As soon as some good news comes, this stock will run away just as it has fallen. This stock is very valuable for the long term, and it can give you problems in the short term. So all the brothers who are stuck in this share should wait. It has fallen with good volume for now. Good volume. So now it will take a lot of time to recover this share. More fall in this stock is happening due to its negative news. As soon as any good news comes, this stock will go up with the same speed. Let's find out what's news in the negative. So friends, United Health Group shares nose dive over 19% to touch 5-year low. Here is where the stock is falling today. The Wall Street Journal in recent report citing unnamed individual states that the US Department of Justice was investigating United Health Group of potential Medicare fraud. Shares of United Health Group plunged to a 5-year low on Thursday on the New York Stock Exchange after reports of probe against the company. The shares of United Health Group plunged over 19% to hit the low of dollar to 48.88 per share. Why are United Health Group shares falling? The Wall Street Journal recent report individual stated that US Department of Justice was investigating United Health Group of potential medical fraud. The report added that the Department of Justice has had a probe into the company Medicare Advantage business since at least last summer. Hours later, United Health released a statement denying the allegation made in the report. We are not notified by the Department of Justice of the supposed criminal investigation, reported without official attribution in the Wall Street Journal today, it said. Condemning the report, the company has said its stand by the integrity of its Medicare program. The WSS reporting is deeply irresponsible, as even it admits that the exact nature of the potential criminal allegations is unclear. We stand by the integrity of our Medicare Advantage program. However, the statement did little to sway investor sentiments that have been running low for the past few seasons. The latest news adds to the health insurer litany of whose was including multiple government inquiries, a sudden change in top leadership, and a planned outlook in the face of soaring medical cost. Investor and analytics noted that while details on the investigation were limited, they did investor corners. The stock is already in the doghouse with investors, and additional uncertainty will only pile on return, quoted James Horlow, Senior Vice President at Novare Capital Management, which owns share in United Health, as saying, United Health share dropped every day for the last 8 trading session, including seeking 17% Tuesday when the company abruptly replaced its chief executive officer and suspended 2025 guidance. It has lost more than $110 billion in market value this week. The past month sell-off has whipped out nearly 300 billion from United Health market capitalization, or more than half of its value some since its share hit a record high in November. United Health Group share price today. Share of United Health Group hit 5-year low to 48.88 cents apiece on the NYSE, plugging 19.19% as against the previous close. The stock has down 14.52% and at 263.29 per share at over the past 5 seasons. United Health Group share have fallen by as much as 31.74% as per data by Market Watch. This stock important level downside 275 important level, first support okay, 260 second support downside. This stock 248 third support and uptrend. This stock 300 $300 $300 up $300 upside. This share strong resistance uh, uh, first resistance $300. This stock 300, and second resistance this stock 320 and 340. Third resistance